Here is a tour of the lifts at Melvin's edition of Thaddeus Building. And now to the first lifts, which are called EcoDisc, but they have the square buttons. Note, in a normal, they used to be underfold. Here it is, they're right. But they now turn glass. Oh. As you may see, there's lifts from this view. Which is a kind of slow. Should easily go to basement right now. Let's go to basement. I used to like them more like this. Or even in my own edition, which is used to be back with the Alpha, with the Alpha 7, and it's like nothing. And now to the next lifts, which are this and that, but they replace it with Vujita Vincha, which I don't know the type. $16. And it has the same fountain. This is very fast. Charlie's Melvin did. We are now in 16. And now to the next lifts, which are more this and that. Being replaced. How weird. Well, as always, it comes the lift on the middle. We are going up and then lift in the middle. Or is going down. It has the same color of the arrows on it. I don't like it. 24. But note, in this version of Thaddeus Building, which is used to be T Pacific Center, I used to play this one in the past. It used to always stop in M1, you know. And now we come into the next lifts, which are used to be in originally Schindler MTs. But in this one, the lifts is Schindler M series. Let's go up to 32. Now 32. And here are the next lists, which are more Schiller M series. $14. And yeah, 14 has beautiful doors, beautiful marbles. Which are now not writing these lifts. And now to the next lifts, which are more Schindler MTs. $48. Yeah, 48. And now to the next list, which are Audi Series 1, also replaced with HD Bootstrap fix.